Hello everyone, welcome to Beyond One Way. This video shows how to use wonton wrappers to make these delicious oven-fried spinach ravioli in 30 minutes. First, you will need 4 to 5 mushrooms to make 1 cup of diced mushroom. These are bella mushrooms, but white button mushrooms will work just as well. So here's 1 cup of diced mushrooms, and here's 1 cup of frozen chopped spinach right out of the freezer. There's no need to defrost the spinach because we actually want the liquid from the frozen spinach to help cook this dish. Saute them with minced garlic and Italian seasoning on medium-high heat. The spinach and mushrooms will give out liquid, so keep sauteing them until all the liquid has evaporated. And you can tell this when the amount of the spinach and mushrooms from the video clips on the left have shrunk to about half of the amount when we first started with. Now add some shredded Romano cheese or Parmesan cheese if you prefer. The cheese will add extra flavor and saltiness to this spinach and mushroom filling. Now it's time to make the wonton ravioli. This is the brand I will use for this recipe because they are readily available in many grocery stores. They are also thin, so they will easily get crispy when baked. One thing to keep in mind is that these wrappers can quickly get dry and stiff. So one trick is to cover them with a dampened paper or cloth towel to keep them soft. Also, one side of the wrapper is plain and the other side has more flour on it. It is easier to seal the wontons with water when placing the filling on the plain side of the wrappers. Just another tip for you. Place a half tablespoon of spinach mushroom filling on the center of a wonton wrapper and put some water on the 4 sides of the wrapper. Then place another wrapper on top. Press to seal the center of the filling first, then seal the sides. This recipe will make 9 ravioli. Place the ravioli on an oil-sprayed baking sheet. Then spray the top of the wonton wrappers with oil spray too. Brush the oil evenly onto all the wrappers if not all of them get sprayed with oil. This will ensure the top and the bottom of wonton wrappers will get brown and crispy. Bake at 350 degrees for 7 minutes or until they are golden brown. See how pretty they are? Both the front and the back? Hear that crunch? Serve them with your favorite marinara or other dipping sauces. Eat them as a snack or appetizer. What a great way to use these wonton wrappers. Please subscribe to my channel if you like this video. Happy eating and see you next time.